English to Gujarati business phrases. Learn.
એક પગલું ભરવું.
And.
અરજી કરવી.
Welcome to the office circus. Hey, you're in the right place if you want useful Gujarati without falling asleep on page 2. Today you'll learn serious phrases in a not-so-serious story. Welcome to the great international office circus, where the coffee is weak, the emails are strong, and nobody can find the stapler. Your mission is to survive this chaos in English and Gujarati. Along the way, you'll hear powerful phrases like
એક પગલું ભરવું.
which means take a measure, and
નિર્ણય લાવવો.
which means to bring about a decision. Yes, this is the kind of office where even the printer has opinions. The meeting begins. Picture this. You walk into a meeting room, and 10 people are staring at one spreadsheet like it just insulted their families. Let's begin. The manager clears his throat and says, we must.
એક પગલું ભરવું.
Before the problem grows. You whisper to yourself, ah yes.
એક પગલું ભરવું.
Means take a measure. After 47 minutes of discussion about font size, someone brave says, friends, we need to.
નિર્ણય લાવવો.
Today. That phrase.
નિર્ણય લાવવો.
Means to bring about a decision. Suddenly the room becomes quiet. Even the air conditioner seems impressed. Tea, deals, and drama. Now the meeting gets more dramatic, because every office story improves when tea and paperwork appear together. Two teams sit across from each other, smiling the dangerous smile of people who have opened 12 spreadsheets already. One side says, we hope to.
કરાર કરવો.
Today. That means conclude an agreement. The other side nods and says, first, we should.
વ્યવસ્થા કરવી.
For the event. That means make an arrangement. So in one tiny office scene, you hear both.
કરાર કરવો.
And.
વ્યવસ્થા કરવી.
Then someone drops a biscuit into the tea, and negotiations pause for a moment of national sadness. The deadline monster. Every office has one scary creature. Sometimes it is the boss. Sometimes it is the deadline. Sometimes it is both. The manager points at the calendar like a movie villain and says, we must.
સમયમર્યાદા નક્કી કરવી.
That means to set a deadline. You repeat it.
સમયમર્યાદા નક્કી કરવી.
Good. Now the date is fixed. The team looks nervous, and one employee suddenly discovers a deep emotional connection to pretending the internet is broken. First, get confirmation. Before you celebrate too early, there is always one more thing. Actually, in offices there are always 17 more things. The assistant says, before we book the hall, we need to.
પુષ્ટિ મેળવવી.
Single quote. That means obtain a confirmation. You can imagine someone chasing an official stamp across the corridor yelling.
પુષ્ટિ મેળવવી.
Come back here. Once the confirmation arrives, everyone relaxes for 3 seconds, which is a new office record. Forms attack. Just when you think you are safe, the forms arrive. They travel in groups and smell faintly of printer ink and destiny. A hopeful candidate enters the office and says, I need to.
અરજી કરવી.
Before Friday. That means to submit an application. Maybe it is for a job, maybe for a permit, maybe for permission to finally get a working chair. Either way.
અરજી કરવી.
Is your phrase for formal applications. A tiny rule bends. Now comes the rare magical moment. A strict rule meets a human heart. Yes, it happens. Occasionally. The receptionist looks at the missing document, looks at the long line, looks at the sky for patience, and says, just this once, we can.
એક અપવાદની મંજૂરી આપવી.
That means allow an exception. This is not general chaos. This is one special case.
એક અપવાદની મંજૂરી આપવી.
A very useful phrase when life refuses to behave perfectly. Quick drill. Let's do a fast-spoken drill. I say the English, and you mentally throw the Gujarati at it like a language ninja. Take a measure.
એક પગલું ભરવું.
Bring about a decision.
નિર્ણય લાવવો.
Conclude an agreement.
करार करवो.
Make an arrangement.
व्यवस्था करवी.
Set a deadline.
समयमर्यादा नक्की करवी.
Obtain a confirmation.
पुष्टी मिळववी.
Submit an application.
अर्जी करवी.
Allow an exception.
एक अपवादनी मंजूरी आपवी.
Mini dialogue challenge. Now listen to this little office drama and notice how the phrases work together. A. We cannot wait forever. We need to.
एक पगलू भरवू.
B. True, and by noon we must.
निर्णय लाववो.
A. If both sides agree, we can.
करार करवो.
B. First let me.
व्यवस्था करवी.
For the room and documents. A. Fine, but also.
समयमर्यादा नक्की करवी.
B. I already called to.
पुष्टी मिळववी.
A. Great, and the new candidate wants to.
अर्जी करवी.
Today. B. He forgot one paper, but maybe we can.
एक अपवादनी मंजूरी आपवी.
A. This office is chaos. B. Yes, but now it is bilingual chaos. Friendly conclusion. Nice work today. You handled meetings, forms, deadlines, and office comedy in 2 languages. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing these Gujarati phrases out loud.
एक पगलू भरवू. निर्णय लाववो. करार करवो. व्यवस्था करवी. समयमर्यादा नक्की करवी. पुष्टी मिळववी. अर्जी करवी.
And
एक अपवादनी मंजूरी आपवी.
practice a little every day, laugh at your mistakes, and come back for another round. You're doing great.